Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy and today I'm going to show you a tutorial that how to make your own sleep mask that perfect for bedtime or just for staying at home. When you think of sleep masks, what do you think of? Sleep masks are sometimes sold with stereotypes that they are frivolous or frivolous, when in reality they are useful sleep aids that more people should probably be utilizing. I might not using a sleep mask every night, but I'm much more likely to grab one when I have trouble falling asleep, sick, staying in an unfamiliar place, or napping during the day. A sleeping mask is a fun and easy project. Beauty sleep is very important that you really don't want to miss it. And this DIY sleep mask can certainly help trick your brain and catch up some much needed sleep. So let's get started. this. They are so simple to make and I'm so in love with how they turn out. I hope you guys enjoy this video and please share with me if you are make yours. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!